Hello, Professor. Today I will tell you a story about the Dongmingzhu transformed grid using the 11th three-stage change model and the quarters 8-step the change model. Introduction to the Dongmingzhu. She is a chairwoman of the grid electric as a key figure in the China's manufacturing industry. And she joined the grid in the 1990 and led its transformation from an OEM-dependent company to a global technology leader through the strong leadership and the innovation. And the second part is the Louis change model. The first point is first she identified that relies on foreign suppliers and as a weakness and push for the change. And for the change, she invested in R&D and eliminated the outsourcing and introduced the performance-based evaluation. And second point is the refreeze. She institutionalized the AI-driven production and the continuous innovation. And the second large part is the quarters change model. And first point is creating emergency. She highlighted the risk of the technologies dependence and strives the self-reliance. And she built a strong team, which is she assembled the key executive to support her vision. For the communication, she communicated vision and she reinforced the change through the internal messaging and speech aids. For the embedding change, she made the innovation and the quality control core to the grid culture. And we can summarize the conclusion that through the structural the change management, the Dongmingzhu turned the grid into a global innovation leader. And she has demonstrating how strategic the leadership drives success.
Okay, next I will talk about how grid electric transformed and Dongmingzhu's leadership using two key approaches, the hard system approach and the soft system approach. The hard system approach focused on structural adjustment, process optimization, and supply chain integration. Grid reduced the reliance on external suppliers, introduced AI-driven lean production, and stressed the suppliers' relationships to ensure the stable supply of the raw materials. This change improved efficiency and enhanced production autonomy. At the same time, the soft system approach emphasized corporate culture, employee training, and technological innovation. Grid built a high-performance culture, promoting responsibility and innovation. It launched a training program to help employees adapt to new technologies and invest heavily in AI, IoT, and green energy solutions, making it a leader in smart home appliances. As a result, Grid expanded to over 160 countries and strengthened its technological leadership. However, challenges emerged, including employee resistance to strict management, intense market competition from media, hair, LG, and Samsung, and economic risks like trade restriction and supply chain disruptions. To address these issues, Grid balanced leadership with initiative, investing in R&D, and strengthened supply chain resilience by sourcing raw materials and building local production facilities. Through these strategies, Grid has reinforced its position as a global leader in smart and sustainable home appliances. Thank you.
Dongmingzhu's leadership style can be divided into three main styles: ostentative, transformational, and charismatic leadership. The next one is Dongmingzhu's transformation management strategy. The first is about brand and sales reform. Dongmingzhu led the sales reform in 1994 to improve customer loyalty. change the superly cheap and improve quality standards. And the second is the key transformation strategy. Dongminzhu reduced the dependence on external suppliers through technological innovation and achieved independent production through vertical integration, controlling costs and quality. Entering new industries, expanding smart homes and new energy car. About organizational culture and employee adaptation, the first is culture change. Dongminzhu used performance-driven expenses, the responsibility and innovation-oriented, transformed into high-tech enterprise and encouraged independent research and development to enhance Greece's competitiveness. The second is employee adaptation strategy. Dongminzhu activity created out training and development to help employees master new technologies, encouraging employees to innovate and participate in research and development, enhance size of mission, emphasize the global influence of the company. Thank you.
According to our research, we found Greece has grown from a small domestic air conditioner maker to a global smart manufacturer. Thanks to Dongminzhu, her strong change-making leadership leads the way. She started with sales reforms, drove tech innovation, made production more integrated, great business areas, and controlled costs tightly. This reshaped Greece's business and market standing. Greece's success has many reasons. Dong's great leadership is a key. We can look at the PPT. They focus on their own tech, run supply chains well, and care about employees building a good company culture. But Greece has challenges also. This is our second point. The firm leadership style, strategies, employees, competition is tough, research, development costs risks, and new business areas are hard. Luckily, under Dong, Greece copes by managing better and improving tech. So the last for future leaders, this means balancing business goals with employee needs, keep an eye on new tech, find new growth and change plans as needed. Build a strong company culture to both teamwork and adaptability. That's how to make an organization grow in a tough market. Great story, full of challenges and change, can inspire us all. Thank you very much.